got it. I just keep running. Say hello to our new neighborhood bird. Trying to get a worm. Trying to get our neighborhood worm for our babies.
Trying to get the camera to just sit there.
You can't get it?
I know the camera to just sit. I don't want to hold it, but oh, she found a new worm. There, she got it.
Fly off, little birdie.
Oh wow, she's got a fat one. She's got like 3 or 4 in a pile. Ew, that is so gross.
Yeah. That is. Trust me, Cameron.
Oh, it's stuck in the ground. Ew.
You can see it's, you know what, on the behind.
Oh yeah, those are hind feathers.
Oh, good.
Look at her with all that worm. She's gonna feed her babies.
Yeah, big.
She's gonna eat it and then go bleh. I don't think she can fly off holding that much worm.
I just had different bird.
I know,
She's probably scared.
she's like, I better get my worms back before this big bird comes and takes my worms.
Fly off! Fly off, fly off, fly off. Listen.